So first we're going to go to Titles on Final Cut Pro and choose the Atmosphere one. And then we're going to go ahead and take off the background. And then we're going to go ahead and type in our text. And we want to put Dade County. You can put whatever you want. And then we're going to go ahead and choose our font. And we're going to choose the one that we downloaded called Binglat or something like that. Yeah, and then we downloaded those, so you might have to do that. And then we're going to go ahead and zoom in on it a little. And we're going to go to our text and we're going to go ahead and size it and just mess around with it and let it get the spacing that we want it. And you want to get it a little close because on the font that they use, the letters are kind of touching. And we want to go ahead and make it a double space. And we're going to go ahead and choose squaring on the font edge so it's see-through. And then we're going to bring the width all the way up. And we're going to choose this and we're going to choose the basic. And then we're going to add a layer. We're going to add the generic. And then we're going to take off the other one because we don't need that and delete it. And then we're going to change our color to black. We're going to add another layer. It's going to be polish. And we're going to just take the reflectivity up a little bit so we can see a little better. And then we're going to add another layer. It's called Distress, and we're going to go to Dirt. And then we're going to choose Dirt 3 on it because it's less defined. And then we're going to go to Emit, and we're just going to choose our color red. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the generators, and we're going to search our shapes, and we're going to go ahead and bring that down here and just put it above it. And we're going to make it a rectangle. And we're going to make it see-through, so just go ahead and unclick the fill. And we're going to drop the captivity down and the other two beside it. And then we're going to do the transform, and we're just going to bring this in a little and just make it whatever size you want it, but should make it the size of the top text. But you can put it on the bottom of whichever one you want, but we're just going to choose to do it on above the Dade. We're going to zoom in a little bit so we can see how much space is in between it. And then you just get over here and you just fix it and mess with it and do whatever you want to make it look as however you want it to look. And then you're just going to copy and paste it and put another one on there. We don't need that, we can delete that. And then we're going to go back up here and we're going to, zoom in our letters and make them a little bigger. And then we're going to bring them closer together. Take it. And then we're going to do the other one, and we're just going to pull this together, and then you're just going to mess with it and make it however you want, however you want it above your other letter. And then you're just going to copy and paste that and do it one more time for the other one to do it above the Y. So we'll just go ahead and do that. And then we're going to add a shape mask onto it, and we're going to bring it all the way down, and we're going to be in the middle of our text, and then we're going to bring it to the top, and we're going to bring the scale all the way down, and then we're going to put our keyframes. We're going to bring it to the bottom again, and then we're going to bring the scale all the way up and then just get it out of the way after we bring it back to the bottom. And then we're going to bring it back to the top, and you play it, and it just fade through like you want it. So then we're going to do that to the next two real quick. So you just zoom it all the way in at the beginning, and then you go kind of to the middle, not all the way to the end, and then you just bring it back out. And then you put your keyframes and play it. And zoom it out. And just do that to that last one. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to Tile Tools, and we're going to do Adjustment Layer. We're going to go ahead and bring that above it, just stretch it out a little bit so it fits it. And then we're going to put an image mask on it, and then we're going to just do the other one that we downloaded called Glint. We're going to put that on it also, so it'll give it the glow because it's better. And put a glint above the image mask so it is a better, or it's going to look funny. And then just mess with it and see however you want it, and delete that. And then select all these and make it a compound clip. And then that'll be put all together. And then all you have to do is play it. And that's your intro. You can zoom in on each individual letter, but so far that's it. And it's just rendering, but it'll look better. So thank you.